Hello friends, welcome to Pure Delicious. Take 3 medium yellow onions, about 15 ounces, or 425 grams. Try to slice them into even thin strings. Melt 3 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add a drizzle of olive oil. This helps prevent butter from burning. Toss in your sliced onions, breaking them apart as you go. Cook stirring frequently for 10 minutes. While the onions are slowly caramelizing, let's prep the other ingredients. Slice 8 ounces or 225 grams of mushrooms. Today, we're turning the flavors of classic French onion soup into a creamy, cheesy pasta that's pure comfort in every bite. Stick around, because this one's so good, you'll want seconds. Reduce heat to medium-low. Cook the onions for about 35 minutes until caramelized, stirring frequently. Warm 1 tablespoon olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the mushrooms and cook for 6 to 7 minutes, until a bit golden. Sprinkle a pinch of salt. The onions are turning golden beautifully. If they begin to cook very quickly, reduce the heat slightly. Remove the mushrooms and set aside. Heat 1 teaspoon of olive oil in the same skillet. Add 8 ounces or 225 grams of ground beef. If you're using an 80/20 blend, you can skip the oil, since the meat will release enough fat on its own. Salt and pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of each one. Cook crumbling and stirring occasionally until beef is browned and slightly crispy, about 5 to 7 minutes. While beef and onions are cooking, let's make the sauce. We need 1½ cups beef broth. Half and half, 1 cup. Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon hot sauce to enhance the flavor, it doesn't make the end result spicy. Mustard powder, 1 teaspoon. Dried parsley, 1 teaspoon. Dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon. And oregano, 1/2 teaspoon. Mix well and set aside for later. Mince 3 large cloves of garlic. Let me know in the comments which city or country you're watching from. It's always such a joy to connect with lovely people from all around the world. Add 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce to the beef. Stir to combine evenly. Remove from the pan and set aside with mushrooms. The onions are nicely caramelized and looking gorgeous. Now, add the minced garlic and cook for 1 minute. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of flour in the pan. Cook, stirring continuously for about 2 minutes until the raw flour smell is cooked off. Add the prepared sauce mixture in splashes. Mix constantly to avoid lumps. If you're loving this recipe, a like or share would mean a lot. It helps me reach more food lovers like you. I really appreciate your kind support. Bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer, and let it cook partially covered while we finish the pasta. Add a half tablespoon salt to boiling water. Add 10 ounces or 280 grams pasta. Cook to al dente, 2 or 3 minutes less than the full cooking time. Feel free to reserve some pasta water. If the sauce becomes thick or clumpy, a small splash will smooth it out. The pasta is tender, but still has a slight bite in the center, so it holds its shape in the sauce. Mozzarella, a half cup. Lower the heat to low and gradually sprinkle in the cheese. This recipe serves 5 or 6 people. Store the leftovers in an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 3 days or freeze for up to 3 months. Freshly grated Parmesan, a half cup. Stir in little by little. You can reheat the leftovers in the microwave. I use melt mode, which is lower power. Or even better, gently warm them in a makeshift double boiler on the stovetop for the best results. Return the browned mushrooms and ground beef, mixing everything together. Finally, add the cooked pasta gradually, stirring until coated in the sauce. If you'd like to see more recipes like this, consider subscribing and turning on the bell. I'd love to have you join our cooking community. For more tasty pasta inspiration, take a look at my pasta recipes playlist. I think you'll find some new favorites. This creamy, cheesy pasta is so comforting and full of flavor, truly like a hug in a bowl. I hope this dish brings a smile to your faces. Thanks for watching. Take care.